station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Isidro Reyna. This week on station, a spacewalk and vehicle docking. Carrying more than 3 tons of food, fuel, and supplies for the International Space Station crew, the Progress 69 cargo spacecraft launched on February 13th from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The vehicle docked automatically to the Zvezda service module of the station on February the 15th. The spacecraft will remain at the orbiting laboratory until late August. Outside the station, a pair of astronauts spacewalk to wrap up maintenance on the Canadarm2 robotic arm. Astronauts Norishige Kanai and Mark Vandehei ventured outside the station on Friday, February the 16th to move components for the station's robotic system into long-term storage. Their main task was the transfer of a pair of older robotic hands, or latching end effectors, that were once attached to the robotic arm. One latching end effector was transferred inside the Quest airlock, while the other was attached to the mobile base system. The spacewalk was the 208th in support of space station assembly and maintenance, and the 3rd this year. This week, Texas students spoke with NASA astronaut Joe Acaba on the space station.
What is the most interesting thing that you have seen while in space?
One of the most interesting things that I've seen looking out the window is when I see the auroras, the northern or the southern lights. It is this beautiful light show that sometimes it looks like it's covering the entire planet, even though it's not, but it looks that way. And you have all these different colors, the greens, the reds. So it is always cool. And then seeing myself up here, I never would have thought I'd be here, so that's pretty neat.
Would you like your students to see Earth from the perspective of the International Space Station? It's possible, it's free, and it's time to sign up. During an EarthCam mission, a camera is placed in the window of the space station, and students are invited to request images of specific targets on Earth. Visit the Sally Ride EarthCam website to sign up. EarthCam is great for traditional classrooms, after-school programs, community youth organizations, homeschool groups, and more. Keep sending in your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.